Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share a story with you. It is a story from my everyday life and how I practice English at home. So, let us begin together. I live a quiet and simple life. Everything around me feels peaceful and warm. The streets are neat, and people greet each other with kind smiles. Trees line the roads, and small open spaces make the area feel fresh. The sky feels wide and clear, and the air is light and comfortable. Every day begins with soft sounds. Birds sing gently, and the morning moves slowly and calmly. These small moments relax my mind. They make me feel happy inside and give me positive energy to start my day peacefully. During the day, I see people heading to work, children playing with joy, and simple daily moments happening everywhere. Life moves at an easy pace, and this makes me feel grateful for the life I have. My school is close to my home. I walk there every day with my friends. We talk about our lessons, dreams, and plans. We laugh, tease each other, and enjoy the walk. When friends walk together, time feels very short. After school, I return home and relax for a while. Then I sit with my family for lunch. My mother prepares simple, healthy meals. We eat together and talk about our day. These moments make me feel safe and loved. After lunch, I rest for a short time. Then my study time begins. I open my English books and learn new words and sentences. I keep a small notebook for difficult words. I try to use them while speaking. Sometimes I stand in front of a mirror and talk to myself in English. This helps me build confidence. I also keep a small dictionary beside me. Whenever I find a new word, I look up its meaning. Sometimes I draw a tiny picture near the word. This makes learning enjoyable and helps me remember better. I love watching English cartoons. They are interesting and easy to follow. I listen carefully to the words and repeat the sentences aloud. Sometimes I pause the video and say the same line again and again. Learning feels simple when I enjoy the process.
I also enjoy English songs. I sing along with the music. Even when I do not understand every word, I enjoy the rhythm and sound. Sometimes I write the lyrics in my notebook and read them before going to sleep. My father supports me in learning English. He knows some English and helps me read and speak. He always tells me, speak slowly and clearly. He says confidence matters more than speed. Sometimes he tells short stories in English and acts them out in a funny way. We laugh and learn together. My mother also encourages me every day. She always says, practice a little daily. She believes small effort leads to big results. She smiles when I speak English. Her smile gives me strength and courage. In the evening, I play with my friends. We enjoy different games together. We use simple English words while playing. Run, pass, catch, stop. Sometimes we decide to speak only English for a few minutes. We make silly sentences and laugh loudly. Learning feels easy when it feels like fun. Sometimes my friend Rahim comes to study with me. We sit quietly and practice English together. We ask questions, have short conversations, and tell small stories. One day, we dream of writing a book. We want to call it Learning English Every Day. At night, I read English storybooks, just one page each day. I remind myself that one page is better than none. Sometimes I feel tired, but I still try. Even small effort brings happiness. Reading slowly helps me understand more. I never rush myself. My father listens and smiles. His smile fills me with confidence and makes me feel proud. Before sleeping, I repeat new words in my mind. I whisper them softly again and again. This strengthens my memory. Sometimes I even dream in English. In my dreams, I talk with people from different countries. They listen to me with interest. I feel brave when I speak. It feels exciting and hopeful.
I have a dream. I want to speak English confidently. I want to speak without fear. I want my words to sound clear and strong. Sometimes my voice feels weak, but my dream feels powerful. I remind myself to keep trying. I want to talk to people around the world. I want to share ideas and stories. I want to learn, travel, and express myself. One day I want to teach English to people who feel shy or afraid. I want to help them feel confident too. I want to show that where you are from does not limit dreams. Dreams can grow anywhere. Big dreams are not only for special places, they belong to everyone. I believe English opens many doors. It can slowly change our future. Sometimes I teach my little sister easy English words. She smiles and repeats after me. She enjoys learning with me. We laugh and learn together. We use games and pictures. Learning feels like play for her. Her favorite word is happy. She smiles every time she says it. Her smile warms my heart. Teaching her makes my journey more meaningful. My friends and I support each other. We learn together and grow together. We correct mistakes with kindness. No one feels shy. Everyone feels safe to speak. We always say, mistakes help us learn. We encourage each other to try again. We formed a small English practice group. It began with a big dream. Every weekend we meet and practice. We share stories and play speaking games. We motivate each other. We choose one English star each week. This keeps us excited and happy. Remember, my dear friends, do not fear mistakes. Fear is part of learning. Speak slowly. Take your time. Speak clearly. Your words matter. Never quit. Your voice has value. Small steps every day lead to big success. Practice matters more than perfection. Trying is better than waiting.
Thank you for listening to my story. Thank you for giving me your time. This is how I practice English every day. If this story touched your heart, remember one thing. You do not need the perfect moment to begin. You do not need perfect English. You only need courage and one small step. Start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. Your story can begin with one word, one sentence, or one brave attempt. Never feel ashamed of mistakes. Mistakes mean learning. Mistakes show effort. Every attempt makes you stronger. Every day makes you better. English is more than a language. It brings new chances, new people, and new dreams. It helps you express yourself. So promise yourself today. Read a little. Listen carefully. Speak slowly. And practice daily. Be gentle with yourself. One day, the English you feared will become your strength. You will look back and smile. Thank you for being part of my journey. Your support means a lot to me. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple and inspiring stories. I will return very soon with another story and another lesson. I will continue learning with you. Until then, Keep learning. Keep smiling. And keep speaking English with confidence. Bye-bye, my dear friends. Take care. And always believe in yourself.